Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to decrease Amazon Music storage size. If you've noticed your device running low on space, managing your downloaded music can make a real difference. So let's jump right in and free up some room. First, open your Amazon Music app on your computer or laptop and log in. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you'll access all the important controls for managing your app's behavior and storage usage. Now, within the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Audio Quality and click on it. Here you'll see different quality settings that directly impact how much space your music takes up. Go ahead and select Standard. By choosing standard quality instead of higher settings, you're reducing the file size of each song you stream or download, which means less storage is consumed overall. This is a simple but effective way to keep your music library from eating up too much disk space. Alternatively, if you want to tackle storage by removing specific downloaded tracks, head to the top menu and click on Library. From there, select Music. This will bring up your entire music collection within the app. Next, navigate to your Downloads section by clicking on Downloaded Music. This is where all the songs you've saved offline are stored, and it's often the biggest contributor to storage usage. Once you're viewing your downloaded music, hover your mouse over the track you want to remove. You'll notice three dotted lines appear next to the song. Click on those three dots and a small menu will pop up. From that menu, select Delete. This action immediately removes the song from your device and frees up disk space. You can repeat this process for as many tracks as you'd like to remove, giving you full control over what stays and what goes. By adjusting your audio quality settings and selectively deleting downloaded tracks, you're effectively managing how much storage Amazon Music uses on your device. Both methods work together to keep your library streamlined without sacrificing your listening experience. And that's it. You've now learned two straightforward ways to decrease Amazon Music's storage footprint. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.